here. I have another thing for you. You have to win this for me. It's my turn.
He got a kick from The Rock, and here he got a rock bottom. He
When
is
going
facing
towards the
net.
Cody Road. Oh, a kick on the midsection by Rock with the Cody Road and getting up for Money in the Bank.
Here he is going to
Oh
get
my
the-
God, Roman Reigns in the arena.
Here he hit the Superman punch to The Rock, and Rock is on the chair taking a rest. He's approaching to the
Superman punch by Roman Reigns to the Cody, a kick to the Kevin Owens. Oh my God, what the Roman Reigns
There is so much
doing
intense
here.
situation in here. Let's see what he will do the next. And
Oh,
again here the
the spear by Reigns to the Cody. Oh, where is Omos, his partner?
Cody is lying on the floor, and Roman Reigns is so close to the Money in the Bank. Let's see, will he get it or not? And he has got it.
Roman Reigns is the winner for the Money in the Bank.
And
Oh, we
here-
can see the puzzle.
Omos is so much angry from the Roman Reigns. So much biggest cheat of the century.
How dare you cheat me? Anyways, you will lose the fight. I am giving them another chance. Go and win the title. I have proved myself by defending Roman Reigns. Now this is my title. We will decide in Extreme Rules.
Welcome back, guys. You're watching your favorite generator, Willy Child, and here the camera is going toward the. Okay, so the Kevin Owens is tapping the arena. He is full of enthusiasm and approaching to the arena. The crowd can be seen on his face, and here he has entered in the main arena in the ring, showing the gestures to the audience, to his fans. He is super energetic.
This match is between Kevin Owens, Omos, and Cody Rhodes for the WWE World Heavyweight Championship. Kevin Owens is on the top rope. He is turning towards the spectators, and he is now in the middle of the ring. He is ready for the championship match between these three athletes. War is going on the top rope again. Wow.
He's waiting for another one to come.
Wrestling has more than one.
Here is American Nightmare. Cody Rhodes is coming for revenge with Omos and Kevin Owens. How dare them to challenge Cody Rhodes for the championship? As we know before, Cody Rhodes has proved for himself by defending the Roman Reigns. The Cody Rhodes
Approach to the arena. Now he is going toward. Oh, who is behind him? So the Omos attack Cody Rhodes from the behind. What are we witnessing here? Omos has interfered.
Oh, again the punch again and again. Oh my God! Kevin Owens is stepping towards. Oh, what a push by the Kevin Owens to
He
the
has
Omos.
attacked both of the wrestler because the rule was first broken by the Omos. Omos is standing. Let's see what he will do. And he has strangled to the
Wow,
Kevin
what the
Owens.
power slam by the Omos, and then now the punches and punches.
This
to the
night
face.
is full of surprises. First, the Kevin Owens interfered and he entered in the match with both of them.
Oh,
Now
that's going
we
on the
have
arena.
witnessed
Oh,
interference
here
of
the
Omos.
Kevin Owens is lying. Oh, the match is started again. The punches on the face
So
of.
many things are going on here and continuous punches by the Omos.
Oh.
Trying to be back in the match, but Omos is not letting him to do this.
Again, the punches. Oh, now he's taking off his jacket.
Let's see the physique of the Omos.
Oh, the steel step
steps on
again
the
and again.
face.
Oh, he pushed himself towards back the ring. Now he is taking off his jacket again. Oh!
The jacket over the face of the so many things are going on here that are truly surprising. And
Oh, he's on the top rope.
entertaining.
Oh, jump on the both wrestlers by the Kevin Owens. Now we have both and three wrestlers.
Thrice
Now-
of them are lying on the floor and attempting to stand, and Kevin Owens has already stood and kicking to the both of the opponents. Wow, the energy
Now
of
the Kevin Owens is
is
dominating.
praisable.
He is on the kick
And
again.
he has
Oh, he
finally
pushed
stood.
himself. Oh, Omos is fighting back. Oh!
Omos has
Again,
returned
the
in
slam
match.
by the Omos. Now clutch by the Omos to the Kevin Owens.
Kevin Owens is trying to release.
Now Cody is
Cody Rhodes
coming
from the
toward.
back, and he has attacked to the both of them.
Wow, he is
What
trying.
has
Whoa.
Released from the strangle of the Omos, but Cody Rhodes is not letting to go.
Whoa, finally Omos pushed. Oh, the kick by the Kevin Owens to the Omos. He's fighting back.
Since there are so many things going on, I'm also feeling in the commentary, as you guys can observe.
Oh, the punches and punches by the Kevin Owens. Oh, the kick by the Kevin Owens. Oh, the Cody pushed himself. Oh, the kick by the Cody Rhodes on the chest of the Kevin
These
Owens.
guys
Oh,
are doing
the
so
jump
much
from the
rope
top to on the Omos. And now, oh, the clutch by the Cody Rhodes to the Omos. Now Kevin Owens is not in the scene.
Omos thought if he will interfere in the match, he is gonna win, but both rest of the guys did not let him.
The Omos is trying to stand. Oh, Cody pushed himself on the corner of the room. And Cody Rhodes.
Going for the
Oh, finally, the first finisher has hit by the Cody Rhodes to the Kevin Owens, and now Cody is trying to pin.
Let's see, will he win in this match? But Omos
Oh,
once again
my
interfered
Oh, finally kicked down by the Kevin Owens.
from the side of Omos.
Kevin
too.
Owens is still in the match. Oh, the punches.
We can see the fury, angriness on the face of the Omos because his whole
Oh my God! Finally, stunner head by the Kevin Owens to the Omos. Wow, what the flashback!
amazing stunner hit by the Kevin
Oh,
Owens.
again the Cody Rhodes beat low.
Cody Rhodes is and he
Oh, finally
once
again the
faced
kick down by the Omos. Now, oh, the
continuous
punches.
punches, and Omos is in the mattress and facing the punches of the Cody Rhodes.
Rhodes. Again the punches and punches. What the
Cody
roar
Rhodes
by
is
the
doing
Cody
all
Rhodes.
these things that make him successful to win this match.
Oh,
Let's
the
see
steel
will he
step
do
hit
it.
by the
Wow,
Cody
what
Rhodes.
the
Amazing
again.
match is going on. Wow! Again, he threw the steel step on the face of Omos. Now he is still kicking,
And
and
see, we will see in a moment that who
he's
will be
approaching the Kevin
winner.
Owens.
And
Oh,
trying
what
to
the rock
for
bottom by the Cody
Cody
Rhodes. Sorry for that.
Since there are so many things that are,
Whoa.
that's why we are so much confused. Who did?
And now the Cody Rhodes is again coming for the match. He's trying to jump from the top.
from the top.
Oh my
He
God!
chased the
Wow!
rock.
Wow! What the move by the Kevin
I
Owens.
his name what
The
he
Omos
did with
is for the choke slam for the both guys.
double chop.
Wow,
hit
wow.
by the Omos. Omos is so much energetic. The way he did the
Up
move
for
and
the
he's
jump.
going to
Wow, what a power shot by the Omos to the both of the wrestlers. Wow, the match is going very interesting.
Omos is looking so much
I am-
tired. Even both three of the wrestlers are so much tired.
To be
because
honest,
they have
I
done
am-
so much.
Oh my God, he's approaching a tool.
He's getting a tool that is going to be so much harmful for the rest of the two wrestler, and he is continuously hitting
Oh my
with
god.
that. And he is trying to
Wow.
hurt the hand of the
A
Robert.
cruel by the Omos. Omos.
Is also punishing to the Kevin Owens. Kevin Owens trying to release.
Oh my
but
God.
he
Corner,
wants
oh
to-
my
and
God.
also
Cody is a
for
pro-
anything that he can.
Oh, he has a sharper thing
against the.
than the Omos.
And
Oh!
here,
Again, attacked by the
powerful
Cody Rhodes
punches,
with a
powerful
sharper
attacks
object.
are
Oh!
being used by the Cody Rhodes, and I think it is the still. It is kind of the driver, screwdriver. Many things are going on here. I think the Cody Rhodes is going back.
Wow,
Here
wow,
to the Kevin Owens.
wow. What the stunner by the Cody Rhodes. Now Cody is. Oh my
Dragging to
god.
Kevin Owens in the middle
Middle of the ring.
Oh,
Kick down. Wow. Kick down. And now Omos is on the scene.
Omos is going
Wow.
for the.
Bear hug by the Omos
I
to the
first
Cody
thought
Rhodes.
He is trying for the suplex, but it is the bear hug by the Omos. Cody is trying to release, but it's still the
Oh,
Omos
again,
is
the
so
Omos
much
hit the-
energetic
Whoa.
in front of him.
Wow,
He
Omos
is
had made
way
the plan.
more
He
energetic.
is determined that he will win the title.
And he is doing everything to make this possible.
Every possibility
stick.
has been tried by the
Stick.
Omos to
Okay,
win
Kevin
this
Owens
title.
has started
Now we have seen
to
Omos
hit the-
dominate on the match. Attack both of the wrestlers, I think.
With this stick, and this stick looks so much painful for the rest of
Wow,
the two.
again and again.
The
Wow, what?
Kevin
He
Owens-
is very furious.
The Cody
My
Rhodes is
God.
also now he has
Oh
done
my
it. He
God.
started to do attack over the Cody Rhodes. Cody Rhodes
Oh,
is
again and
defending
again.
him.
Oh my God, what the situation has.
He has released all of his stress on the both of them.
You are right.
And let's see, you can see the pain over the face of the
Cody Rhodes.
Omos.
Oh my God!
Oh,
Finally, the low blow by the Cody Rhodes, and now again.
He is attacking with the stick over the Kevin Owens. He is now releasing the stress of him over the Kevin Owens.
Now
Let's see, will
Omos
he
is
hit
still
to the
on
Omos?
match.
No,
Oh.
he has leave to the Omos. That
Whoa,
will be his
both
first-
wrestlers had drag on the corner. Now Cody Rhodes is. I
Cody
think
Rhodes
he's.
is applying all the moves.
Whoa!
And he's still step
He
over
threw
both
still a
of the
step on the
wrestlers.
both of the wrestler on the corner, and he have
He
his
has
kick
got a
again.
stick. Now he will punish to both of them what they did with him. Omos
Wow.
is going in the center of the ring. Oh my
Oh,
God.
he's trying to attack again and again. Attacks by the stick.
Amazing strategy is being used by the
Now we
Cody
have see
Rhodes.
that Cody has
Let's see,
controlled
will
the
he-
match.
Exactly. Let's see, will he remain successful to win this match or not?
Oh, he
So
threw up.
many- Three of them are in the middle of the ring.
Now
Let's
Kevin
see
Owens.
What
Oh, the
hell
kick
will break
and
out.
DDT. Wow, what a DDT by the Omos.
Omos is still
And for the
determined
clothesline?
to win this match. Went for
Wow.
the goal, but remained unsuccessful and got a kick. I think.
Kick
from
on the
the
midsection. Oh, again the
DDT.
DDT. Wow, again the DDT by the Omos. Wow, what the match.
Praise level
man.
performance showed by the three of them, but Cody Rhodes and Kevin's energy. He
Oh, he
interfered
pushed
in
himself
match.
on the corner like the Cody
Now-
Rhodes, and
Now
now.
he's using the strategy of the.
Wow, what a
Cody
power
applied.
shot by the Omos, and
Going
now
for the pin,
for the
but
women's
kick
match.
out
Oh!
and a jump,
And
from
jump
the top.
from the top rope. Now
I
Cody
don't
is
ever work
again
for
the man.
these three guys. They are doing amazing.
Oh, the pin by the Cody. Oh, again the kick down by the Kevin Owens.
Cody
Both
Rhodes
of the
is
wrestlers,
so much
thrice of the
angry.
wrestlers are determined that they will win the fight. He has a steel ruler. Again the hit. Oh, again the hit and hit
The
by
kind
the
of tool that
Cody
is made
Rhodes.
of his steel is being used by the Cody Rhodes. This is gonna be prove useful, beneficial for the victory of the Cody Rhodes. Let's see, will he win? Oh, he is strangling the Kevin Owens, but
Oh
Kevin
my
Owens
God,
is
little
laughing
smile on
that-
the face.
Yeah,
Oh.
both of them are laughing because the things they are doing is crazy, absolutely crazy. Now the Kevin Owens is trying to release.
Kevin
and
Owens
Omos
making
is
joke.
finished.
Oh,
he's
you
just
are wrong, you are
tired that
wrong.
he can't
Again,
even
clutch
stand.
made by the trio of the wrestlers.
Three
Wow.
of them are bound with a single clutch, and the Omos is on the top. Let's
Wow.
see, will he win or not? I'm reiterating the win word because I have a little hope that has something in the mind.
Whoa,
and the both
oh my
are-
God, what a
the both-
situation I mean. Oh my God, whoa.
The flying
what a
jump,
jump by.
the flying jump.
But he failed. Sorry for that.
No, but the Cody Rhodes is lying. In the
Oh,
corner
Kevin
of the
Owens
ring,
has
and
started to
Kevin
kick
Owens
the
has
Omos,
saved
and
him
Cody
from
Rhodes is
that
on the
jump.
corner. He's coming towards the Omos.
Coming back to
Oh,
the
a
match.
kick. Wow, what the situation?
Three
Both
of
the
them-
three of
three of
wrestlers
them
are quarreling
attacking
like a
each
kids.
other. They are playing like a baby with each of like against each other.
Going from the corner, a kick by the Cody Rhodes. Wow, what the situation? What the match?
The Cody
Three of the
Rhodes
wrestlers
has-
are trying their best.
Exactly.
Oh,
the
both
Cody
wrestlers
Rhodes
are
has
dragged,
taken the
and
control.
Cody is going. Oh, the clothesline by the Cody Rhodes to the both wrestlers, and both wrestlers are lying on the ring, and Cody is kicking and
The
going
way
on the
Cody
top
is
rope.
performing is praisable,
What the
and he
jump!
has taken a jump from the top rope, and let's see, will he go for the pin? I think
Oh, he kicked down again,
Kevin
and Cody
Owens
Rhodes
is
is messed up.
And let's see what next is going to become from the Kevin
Oh,
Owens. And
he's
he
trying
is
for
trying
the- Oh,
from his
submission.
top-
Wow.
Yes, that submission is really painful against the Kevin Owens. Kevin
Again, the
Owens
smile.
is-
Oh, my God. Why he's smiling?
Because he is
punching
not
again and
showing
again
it
towards the
for
Kevin Owens.
this
I
match.
think he
Let's
is.
see. Will this
Oh, Omos
unseriousness
is punching
take him to
again
the
and
victory
again
or
towards
not?
tired. Yes.
Three of them are tired. Three of them are so much tired, but they will have to perform despite this tiredness, because the one of them is going to be the winner, and three of them.
Oh
have
my
taken
God!
the
A low blow
used
by the
him.
Cody Rhodes to the both of the wrestlers, and
Now
Omos has
have
dragged
taken his-
towards the corner.
He is so close to the money in the bank, but that money in the bank has already been redeemed by the.
Going for the finisher.
For the
Wow!
finisher
Again, he made
Kevin
a
Owens
finisher
lying.
to
And
the
Cody
is going for
Owens.
the. Oh my God! Finally, the finisher made by the Kevin Owens. Kevin Owens made the finisher, and the Omos is on the corner. Wow! What the situation? And Kevin Owens is taking the title. What do you say? Oh my God! Roman Reigns is on the game. He
This is
is.
so
He-
unbelievable. I can't
oh.
believe the Roman Reigns has again did an interference in the match, and he has the same money in the bank that was showed before.
For the Superman,
That is so
Superman
Roman
punch
Reigns
by
is
Roman Reigns,
He's
and
going
Kevin
for the
Owens
second
is on the
Superman
game.
punch, and let's see.
Wow,
what
this
happens
pair
there
by the
the
Roman Reigns.
to the
Oh my
Kevin
God.
Owens. The Roman Reigns is looking so much angry, but the what he is did is not legitimate for this match, because he allowed the Omos to win. But
Oh
he
my God,
has
I think
taken
Roman Reigns
the
is
title.
cashing his money in the bank for the title
he is going to
that
redeem
he
it
lost
today.
before
He is
to the
calling
end of
out
the
to the
match.
Cody Rhodes, but the Cody Rhodes is looking so much tired. What will
Oh
he
my
do
God,
with him?
a clutch made by the Roman Reigns until Cody.
Give up. But the
Yeah,
Cody is not.
Cody.
Cody is not going to give up, because he is going.
Oh my God! Finally, Roman Reigns is the winner of the match. My God, anger on the face of Omos. What Omos is trying to do. Roman Reigns has a title, and he's making joke of another.
Yeah,
Yes.
another joke, another. Serious
Oh my
joke.
God! Oh, what Omos is doing? No, 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 no,
The
no.
bank that he will use against the Roman.
Oh
To
my
the
God.
Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns is under the
Oh
attack
my
of
God,
the
we can
Omos.
see anger on the face
Yeah,
and the
he is
actions
so
of
much
the
angry.
Omos.
That
Oh,
title on
a
the
title
face.
has hidden on the face of Roman Reigns by the Omos.
Because
oh
what
my
Roman
God,
Reigns has done with the Omos is not legitimate.
what the twist, man? What the twist?
Let's see what will happen next.
Bye bye.